Security. MJS Capital will not handle clients' funds. Instead, we will use the services of a regulated payment services provider, which will deposit subscription monies in a separate client account and transmit them directly to the company's investment programs. 80% of the profits generated by the company's investments acquired with the proceeds of the bond issue will be paid into a designated deposit account managed by an FCA-regulated trustee, the sinking fund, in order to create the reserves required to pay interest and to redeem the bonds. Lastly, the assets purchased by the company out of the proceeds of the issue will be charged to secure the payment of capital and interest to investors until the cash account has reached the required level. The FCA-regulated trustee will have the power to sell those assets in order to pay investors should the company default. So the company will not participate in 80% of the profits until the money credited to the trustee's deposit account equals the amount required to repay the bonds. The process is simple. Investment into the fund is via a regulated payment service provider. Crossbar FX sends funds directly into investments on the company's instructions. Profits generated go to the sinking fund. The sinking fund is managed by a regulated trustee. Investment is repaid by the security trustee. Investment in the bonds will be protected in 4 ways. The bonds will be secured on certain of the underlying investments made by MJS Capital acquired out of the proceeds of the issue. An independent security trustee will have the authority to sell the underlying investments should the company default. A cash fund will be established out of 80% of the profits generated by those investments to repay the bonds at their maturity dates and to pay the interest due to them. The cash fund will be administered by an independent and regulated trustee. Find out more on our website.